Our friend at the Highland Museum Discovery Center in Ashland, Kentucky asked a very good question. Why is it dark in space? That question is not as simple as it may sound. You might think that space appears dark at night because that is when our side of Earth faces away from the sun as our planet rotates on its axis every 24 hours. But what about all those other far away from the sun that appears as stars in the night sky? Our own Milky Way galaxy contains over 200 billion stars, and the entire universe probably contains over 100 billion galaxies. You might suppose that many stars would light up at night like daytime. Until the 20th century, astronomers didn't think it was even possible to count all the stars in the universe. They thought the universe went on forever. In other words, they thought the universe was infinite. Besides being very hard to imagine, the trouble with an infinite universe is that no matter where you look in the night sky, you should see a star. Stars should overlap each other in the sky like tree trunks in the middle of a very thick forest. But if this were the case, the sky would be blazing with light. This problem greatly troubled astronomers and became known as Olbers Paradox. A paradox is a statement that seems to disagree with itself. To try to explain the paradox, some 19th century scientists thought that the dust clouds between the stars must be absorbing a lot of the starlight so it wouldn't shine through to us. But later scientists realized that the dust itself would absorb so much energy from the starlight that eventually it would glow as hot and bright as the stars themselves. Astronomers now realize that the universe is not infinite, a finite universe, that is, a universe of limited size. Even one with trillions and trillions of stars just wouldn't have enough stars light up all of space. Although the idea of a finite universe explains why Earth's sky is dark at night, other causes work to make it even darker.